I'd like to say some of our new products. We thought our new products were going to come on Monday, but they came on
today.
Friday, which is today. So here's a tofu, and these are so adorable. Here's like kind of like a tic-tac-toe one. Here's a pink one. They're holding hands, so cute. And here's a yellow one. Oh, it's such a blocker. And that's what all the backs look like. Here's the sides, and here's up there, and here's on the bottom. And these are so adorable and so cute. Here's what my mom made. Well, she kind of boxed the stuff. Here, as you can see, here she kind of bought this kind of like necklace chain, and you guys saw this just by itself, not with the necklace, just with this keychain and it itself. She took the keychain off and she put it up onto a necklace. And here's like a little chick one, and it's so adorable. Here she bought this one, and it's like so cool. So and here's like a little charm. Oops. Hello Kitty charm. Here's a muffin, Hello Kitty muffin, a necklace one.
Okay, these are the real crystal beads. And all the chains on the necklace are different. This is a snake chain. This is the regular chain.
Mom, I'll let them see this one, and this one, don't show them it. This chain is the
nickel chain, like this, and this is pretty long. And
no, I want to show them it now. So here's kind of like a donut one with sprinkles on top of the green frosting, and it's so cute. And it has the nickel chain on it. Here's this one, and it has white frost. It's a donut. It has white frosting, brown drizzle kind of, and kind of like a little bit of sprinkles on top of the brown. Oh, some of them fell off. And the last but not least is this pink one, pink donut, white drizzle with.
We have many different kinds. I just put this on last night.
And here are the restocked ones. This one and this one. So here is a jumbo bun panda. Jumbo panda.
They know. Yep, these are all the restocks, and we have more jumbo panda coming. I think next week. And I found a supplier that I really like her. Using her, she ordered directly from the company, from the manufacturer for me on some of the items that are out of the stock. And just to let you know, I have a new version of this one, the baby bird, I don't know, I can't say the name, coming. I think I'm gonna get it next week, the one that is holding a flower. And I'm also gonna get what is it? A couple of new stuff. I don't know. I can't remember. A lot of stuff are coming next week. And we're gonna get more chocolate bar. She just told me that she ordered from the factory. Told her that she's gonna get it in like 2 or 3 weeks. And more Bredo donuts that she will get it in 2-3 weeks too. So, and some more of this. She have the factory order for me, so she will get them Monday. She's gonna ship it to me. So, okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.